Okay, so for this radiator gasket part C here, what you're going to really want to do is locate your centers of your circle. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a circle. I'm going to turn off my all my information. I really don't care for it right now, don't need it. So first thing I'm going to do is draw horizontal line, hit space, repeat the command, just draw another line vertical, and I'm going to start offsetting. So I'm going to offset at 1.5 to locate the center of the big circle. I'm going to do another 1.5 to locate the distance to the other one. So this should be our little circle. So I'm going to draw a little circle. Uh, we have that as a diameter, so you gotta watch out. It's asking for diameter. It's asking for radius. So you want to make a diameter 0.375, and then you can hit space, repeat the command. Hit space, repeat the command. That's the same information you plugged in. If you go to the intersection of the next one, this is a diameter of 1.5. So right there's that information there. While I'm doing that, I might as well draw the radius of all these bigger ones. So I'm going to hit space, repeat the same command. All I'm doing is repeating the circle. Go to the center circle. Now this is radius of 0.375. So then you're going to, I'm just repeating the command, 0.375, 0.375 radius. I'm going to draw another circle. I'm going to do 1, radius of 1. Next thing we need to locate is this circle down here. I'll show you how we'll connect these up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually offset a distance of 1.125. I'm going to select this line, go down. Then I'm going to do the same. I'm going to offset 0.625. If you look down here, this shows you everything I'm doing. I'm hitting space again to repeat the command. I'm going to select this line there. So this is my next circle. Since I already have these circles done, I could just do a copy. You can choose to redraw them if you'd like. I select the center and put it right there. So really, this is everything, as crazy as it is. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a line. Now, what next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hold shift and right click. This is going to be a snap override. So if you do nearest, select it. Oh, I apologize. I'm going to do line again. Shift, right click. I'm going to do tangent, meaning the line is 90 degrees to the center. So if you select it, any way I move, it's going to put a tangent. I'm going to do a shift, right click again, and do a tangent as well. And it puts their tangent there. So I'm going to repeat the line, shift, right click, tangent. I could mirror this, being that it's identical to each side. I'm repeating it, shift, right click, tangent. Just like that. Repeat the command, shift, tangent, shift, right click, tangent, shift, right click, tangent. I'm just hitting spacebar to repeat the command, shift, right click, tangent. Right there's our part. Clear as mud. So what we're going to do, we're going to trim it. I'm just going to select the outside of my objects to trim. Uh, I'm going to right click, trim, 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 enter. So there's our part. We'll select it all, give it a little thickness. Okay. And now next thing we're going to do is we'll go ahead and throw some, we'll fix our center lines real quick. Pull these down, select them all. And then since we loaded our center lines already, um, while I'm at, I'm going to bring properties up, PR, and do 0.5, see how that looks. And then what we'll do is I'm going to offset 0.125, trim that, I'll trim these down so they look a little bit better. I'll trim this too. So we'll do trim, select this line there, trim. And the only reason I do this is to make our drawing look symmetrical or look consistent. So I can get rid of this now, I'm just selecting erase, erase. Then I will offset 0.125. 1.125 is just relative to me. It don't matter what you choose. I'm going to trim these up here. just so you can show the center of your circle. Let me erase that, erase. I'm just hitting E and space to erase my command, offset 0.125. Trim this. What's nice is if you do that like that, you tend to get center lines like that. All we need, that'll locate in the center. So we'll just throw some dimensions here real quick. Linear, there to there, 1.5. Repeat. You can either right click or space. I tend to like space. It's my hands right there. 65. Let's get the height. And then we'll go ahead and do a diameter. Since this is typical, we can select that. And I'll just double click on it. Hit enter. Go to end, enter TYP, caps, TYP. And then we'll hit this side. But if it's a circle or an arc, we want a radius. And TYP. And I think that, oh, we need a radius right there. Radius. Oh, should have a diameter. It's a complete circle. Diameter. And that's it for that part, that gasket.